Well, I got this refrigerator down here, custom design. I took the relay off of it. The compressor's kind of warm, so let me run some tests on it to see is it low on refrigerant or it's got a bad relay and capacitor set on it. I don't know right at the moment, but we need to find out what's going on. Cut it on. So much pressure, boy. Oh boy. That don't look bad at all. We can see it's pumping now. See it's pumping. Let's get everything back on there. Come on. Yep. Oh, sweet. Come on. Huh. This is blowing. Compressor didn't come on though. That ain't good. I got what they call an Annie, a compressor starter kit out there in my van. I'm gonna go out there and get it in. See, can I make this thing run? Maybe the relay, and maybe, capacitor might be going out on it. But let me go out here and see. All right. I know some technicians on the out there, man. Where you using that old junk on that refrigerator for? Let me tell you something. I got 2 of these. I got them when I was in school, and they always have worked. I have took care of this, analyze compressors, work on the new compressors, old compressors, and any compressors. They let me know if it got a short in it, but I don't need it for that. I just make that run, see what kind of amps it's pulling, and go on by my business. Now, if you want a bigger and better machine or something to make that compressor run, you go buy you one, $2,000, $3,000. But back in the day, I paid like $180 for this brand new, and it still worked like a charm. So I don't look to all that mess. You got to have certain tools. If you ain't got certain tools, you ain't no technician. Man, I ain't hearing all that. It's running. So I got a bad compressor. Not a bad compressor, I'm sorry. I got a bad relay set, because it's running. See my gauge dropping? Yes, sir. Well, now I know what to tell the customers. It's running. Like I told, this machine still works good. It's running. So I got a bad capacitor set on this, and I just shut it down. AC amps 120. Amperage is good on it. My goodness. Okay. Yo, yeah, we got it. Compressor's running. I'm gonna let it run there for a few minutes. I don't think it's gonna get a charge on. No, she don't get no charge on her. She is okay. She's gonna come up probably about 10 pounds of pressure. Yep. Okay, y'all, let me close the case on all this and go to the next step. She is running. Like I said, some guys out there gonna say, look, he's using that old equipment. It works, and it works good. I'm gonna order him a new capacitor, but I'm gonna check this just to see. There it is right there, 15 minus 5% plus 10%. I'm gonna just, out of curiosity, I'm gonna check this one. Sorry. Well, you know what? That's what it's reading. I'm gonna go and order a new one. I ain't gonna take no chance with this crap that they've been on the box ever since this box been here. So yeah, let's go and order a new one. There's the MFD reading on it though. I'm gonna order a new one. Okay, y'all. We finna go to the. We got one out of the porch to check. We're gonna let this one. I guess they get it all out and do what they got to do till I can get the parts back for it. Yep, I can get the parts back. Alright, we'll talk to y'all later.